Hi everyone, welcome to lengthens tips. I'm Alessia. Today ready, active stretching, super easy and you can do it anywhere and we're gonna be standing, kind of. No bum on the floor, promise. Find a space and let's nicely stretch it out. Here we go guys, we're gonna start with rolling down. Elongate the arms in front of you, find the flat back, come up, stretch up and towards the ceiling and come down, repeat again, all the way down. It's like you're doing a squat, feet onto the ground, all the way down, come up onto flat back, come up, open up the shoulders are going down, very good, couple more, and down, hands reaching up, all the way up, very good, and come, open, and one more, down, to go out, reach up, and open, very good. This time we go down, hands onto the floor. From here, stretch up all to the way and rebend. Very good. Check the alignment of the knees over the toes. And come and stretch, seat bones up onto the ceiling and down, very good, a couple more, stretch, feel the back of the legs, engage your quads and release, down and one more, up to the top, very good. Don't let the kneecaps relax, engage them every time you stretch. And relax down, very good. Shoot the right leg behind and relax the hips down. Make sure that your heel is on the ground, and if it's not, try to shift the weight towards the back. Very good. Keep pushing the hips down even more. Very nice. Stay there. Rock forward and back and come back in. Shoot the other leg behind, relax down, hips onto the ground, very good. Rock back and forward, very nice. And come back down this time. Right leg again, push it down, hips hovering. Engage your abs, don't let it sink. Knee down, foot down, stay there, breathe, foot back in and everything in, very good. Other leg, shoot, the back leg at the back, the back leg at the back, of course, and release the knee, relax the foot, stay there and breathe. Retuck the toes under, come back up and release, very good. Come back up, feet wide, turn out, nice and soft. We're gonna go stretch onto the side, help yourself with the hand onto the thigh, very good. And reach up and come back and other way. Reach up, two more like this, one each side. Don't let the abs sink. Hold on to the bum, very good. Don't tuck, but try to always to find the natural spine. Very good, and come back this time, parallel. Bend to the side, go all the way, reach. And come back up, other side, bend and reach both ways. Come back up, and again, other side, reach and up, and away, reach, and up, very good. Shake it all out. We're gonna go into feet together, one knee up, one down. Just take the leg towards you. Keep on growing. Stabilize the supporting leg. Stabilize the supporting leg. And release it down, other way. Up, push your chest open. Take your knee towards you. And down, other leg again. Up. Knee towards you. Very good. Other way. Hug it as much as possible. Hips nice and square. And go down from here. Notice this one is a bit tricky. It's a very yoga thing to do. Same hand as leg. Supporting leg. Try to push the foot toward you as much as possible. And then from here, you can have the other hand on the hip. Try to straighten in front of you as much as possible. If this is your maximum, don't worry. Every time you do it, you want to stretch slightly more. Most important thing, supporting leg, nice and straight. Very good. Bring it back in and down. Very nice, very good. So supporting leg, most important thing. Take it up to you. Go and grab the leg, hand on the hip, and stretch in front. Completely parallel, don't let it go out. Completely parallel because it hurts more. From here, if you can, stretch all the way. Feel the energy going from the back of the leg through the heel. Come back in and down. One more each side. Again. Take the leg towards you. Go and grab your foot wherever you can. If you can, straighten it completely. Back in and down. Very good. Other way. Grab the foot, hand on the hip. Straighten in front of you. Chest nice and open. Stretch all the way if you can. Very good. Come back in. Relax. Down. Very good. Shaky, shaky. Two hands. Go and grab the leg. Push and stretch your quad. Knees together. Knees together. Don't let it go out. And breathe. And change other way. Stretch. Open up the chest. Open up the hips. Don't tuck the hips down. Don't even let them go to the back. Find that natural position. Spine position. And release down. One more to one side. Breathe. Open up the chest. Very good. And release. One more. Always supporting leg, most important thing. And down. Very good. Feet parallel. We're just going to roll side to side. So we're going to go up here. Stretch first. Bend your knees. Go down to the center. Come up the other way. Say peekaboo. Reach with that hand. Very good. Reach more. Stretch to the side. Bend your knees now. Very good. All the way down. Release. Come up. Open up your chest. Stretch. And come down. Very good. One more. Reach and bend. Around. Recover. Other side. And down. Release. Reach before you come up. Reach. And down. Very good. Bend your knees. Bend and stretch. Feel the ankles. Feel where they're going. Give it a good shake. And very well done. Sweet, short, productive. Bravo guys, I really hope you enjoyed that active stretching and now you feel super elongated. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and remember to come and check out the Lazy Dancer Studio for exclusive classes, ballet workouts, ballet fitness choreographies and workout plans. Otherwise, I'll see you next Wednesday here on YouTube. Ciao guys!